Did you notice that the entertainment sentiment score has spiked to plus 0.28, with momentum sitting at plus 0.56? This is a significant deviation from our historical baseline, suggesting a surge in positive sentiment around recent entertainment releases. With 20 semantic clusters identified, you can dig deeper into what's driving this momentum. Our API returns detailed sentiment data along with insights into trending themes, helping you understand audience reactions in real time. Imagine you're building a content recommendation engine. You could leverage this spike to suggest trending movies or shows that align with the current positive sentiment, enhancing user engagement and satisfaction. For more on how to implement this in your projects, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.